If you're ready to look for OER resources and you want to pick apart your course by content and just look through for specific items or a specific textbook to use, this is a great place to start. So this is Manchester Community College's library site that is dedicated to OER, and I'll share this link with you in our presentation. If you go over to find OERs on this page, it brings you to a wealth of links and websites that are great sources for OER. You'll see that there are areas that you can find textbooks. OpenStax is one I'm sure that a lot of people have heard of. For some reason, Saylor's in here. I'm not sure what that is, but shout out to Saylor. We can see also that there is other course components that you can look at, such as Merlot, which I know Kara will be talking about, and the OER Commons, which she also has mentioned. So this is another great place if you're just looking for a few resources to use, or you're looking for a whole textbook or videos. This is another great place to start. I know that I've used this Vimeo before. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. And of course, everybody's heard of YouTube. So another great spot to look if you're just looking to pick apart your course, find some resources, and pick and choose and build your own OERs.